You know, we love our Nintendo Switch, and this cool little kickstand is a novel idea, but this thing is weak, and it pops off, it breaks off pretty easily. Maybe you overextended the kickstand by accident, maybe you were using the kickstand, and for some reason your Nintendo Switch kind of got pushed down, pop. Here's the good thing. The kickstand is designed to pop off easily, but sometimes it can be confusing on how to put this thing back on. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And you'll notice this metal rail on the inside and this little metal circle on the kickstand. Those two pieces snap back together. And here's how you do it. So first of all, you do want to make sure anytime you're doing any work on your Switch or anything on your Switch, make sure this thing's turned off, or at least in sleep mode. In my case, battery's dead, so we've got no problem there. Battery's dead. We can work on this without a problem. So I'm also going to put a t-shirt down, a folded up t-shirt. You can use a towel, but you know, with the analog controls, you don't want to push them against a hard surface when you're popping this thing back in. Now look on the kickstand. One end of it has a curve. Let me focus this. There's the curve of the kickstand. Use that to line it up on the bottom so you'll feel it kind of pop into place. Put your finger there. Put a finger to hold it, and then what we're gonna do is just push the other end in, and it should snap right back in. You hear that? It pops in. That's it. That's all. That's all we need to do. Now the kickstand is back where it needs to be. It's ready to go. Again, this thing is not super tough, not super durable. I wish they would have done a better job of making something more sturdy if you're going to use it as a kickstand. But the good thing is they did make it so when it pops off, it's designed to be popped right back in without any problems. Hopefully that helped you. And that's what we do here on the Solution Factory YouTube channel. We try to find easy solutions to common problems, so do me a huge favor and subscribe to our channel. We try to post new solutions to simple problems every single day on the Solution Factory.